Video inspection of an L20 Type 7, X, serial number X9680, new 1996. This is the monitor. Control panel looks very clean. Main spindle, guide bushing, synchronous rotary guide bushing. Oh, can you unlock it? Get the lock spindle on. We'll cycle that through. 3 rotary tools, 3 back working tools, 3 end working tools, 15-degree indexing, and we're going to cycle the machine. This is the main spindle. I'm going to videotape, show you the video of the main spindle at 1,000 RPM. At 2,000 RPM. Spindle stop, so you can see that is a synchronous rotary guide bushing. This is clamping, unclamping, and then indexing at 180 degrees. And one more time. And got it. Okay, and we're going to go and do the front and go ahead and run it. This is the sub spindle, 1,000 RPM and 3,000 RPM. I'm about 5 inches away from the sub spindle. Okay, and we're going to go and clamp and unclamping, and go ahead. What is that? And this is the live tools running. And that's at 500. Yep. And you go up to and 1,000. And that's the parts catcher. Okay, let's go ahead and run the machine, and you just move the axes around. We go which one first? Very quiet on the axes. Live tools and turning tools. Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you very much. This concludes the inspection of the L20 Type 7. FMB bar loader, FMB mini turbo that came in with the L20